Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung G5 phone without using PC. So try to subscribe this channel for more tech videos to be helped out. So what you do, for those who doesn't know how to hard reset this phone, you press home button, power button and the volume up button at the same time when the phone is totally off. If you'd like to remove the password, like you don't know the password, the pattern or pin, you had reset this phone, you press them all together at the same time. Keep on pressing them until the screen pops up. So when you see this, you wait for it until it finishes. Here it's installing system update. You wait for it, for this Android to finish. When it finishes, it will show no command. So what you do when it shows no command, you press volume up and power button together simultaneously. You keep on pressing them until the phone responds. Keep on pressing as you release. So when it finishes, it will bring this interface. When it brings this interface, you press volume down to scroll down, since the touch doesn't work very well, until you see where there is wipe data or factory reset. When you reach there, you click power button to select and use volume down, select on yes, then power button to respond. Here you wait for it to wipe the data. When it shows complete, then you click on reboot system, like you check there is, then you press power button to reboot the phone. Here it will take a lot of time without finishing, but you have to wait for it until it finishes, slowly by slowly. Here it's installing the applications of the phone, since it's already from being formatted. Then after you start the phone like a normal phone setup wizard, you click on start. Sometimes it needs internet to respond. Some Samsung phones, you accept terms and conditions, agree. You can skip off data and set them later. Here you click next, to prevent your phone, to protect your phone. Select pass screen lock. Don't need to put as any screen lock, you can skip that step. You click next on Google services, click skip. So please try to subscribe this channel for more content. Thank you.